Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to install the MySQL database and MySQL server, and after that I am going to create the one database, and under that I am going to create a one table for you. And so this video is going to be totally helpful if you are searching for a MySQL database. So let's start. Okay, go to Google Chrome and try type MySQL database download. Once you click on that, it will come like that. Just go to the first link, MySQL downloads. If we go below, there is a MySQL community GPL download. Just go there. Under that you have the MySQL installer for Windows. Just go there. You will get here the file. Here there is a two file. What is that? One is the 296 MB and other is the 2.1 MB. Go with the highest size one. Just click on download. Okay, here it will ask for sign up, so you don't need to sign up. Just click on no thanks, just start my download. Just click on that. It will ask for in which location you want to download. Just click on check the location and just click on download. This file already I have downloaded, so I am going to pause this and I am going to cancel this. If you have not downloaded, you can download it. You can see I have already downloaded this in my this location. Okay, so let's just right click on that file which I have downloaded and just click on install. Once you click on install, it will start the installation step for the MySQL database. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here it will ask for my server only, client only, full and the custom. So I don't, here by default it will give as a server only, but I want not only server, I want server, workbench and cloud shell, these all three. So I will go with the customize and just click on next. Here what customization you want to do, just you have to select. So I want MySQL server, just click on add here. I want workbench, MySQL workbench, so just select the workbench and click on add here. After that I want MySQL shell, just click on the MySQL shell and add. These three is enough. Apart from three, if you need anything then you can also, but I need only these three things: MySQL server, MySQL workbench and MySQL shell. These three is enough. Okay, just click on next. If you click on next, it will ask to install these all three things: MySQL server 8.37 and MySQL workbench version 8 and MySQL shell. These all three it will ask to install. To install it, just click on execute. Once you click on execute, it will start installation. You can see here progress is showing. Again it will install this, after that it will install this, after that it will install it. So let's wait this to be complete, to these all three completion to be 100%. So after that I am going to again go through the next step. Now after the installation complete, you will see like that here all three will be green tick and it will be a status as a complete. So it means all three has been installed. So let's go to the next step. Once you click on next, it will ask, it will be a, go to next again. Here we are using the port as a 3306 and keep everything as a default, no need to modify, and just click on next. Here it will ask for a use a strong password. Okay, we are okay, just click on next. Here give the password and make sure the password whatever you are giving, you have to remember it. Okay, so let me give my password. Okay, I have given the password. Just click on next. Here again we have to click on next. Everything keep as default and just click on next. Yes, you have to click on the yes, grant full access, everything default, just click on next. Again here it will ask you to configure the everything. So to configure the all step, just you have to click on execute. Once you click on execute, it will configure everything for you. You can see one by one it is giving as a green tick. So once everything will be green tick will be done, it means all thing will be configured like that, starting the server, applying the security thing, installing the database. Now you can see it is installing the database. So in the installation database, of course it will take a time. So this, once this step will be confirmed, we were going to the okay, you can see it has done. Just click on finish. After clicking on finish, it will ask for the some next. Click on next and click on finish. Once you click on finish, it will start a command prompt for you, and after that your database will be open. Now this is the database that I have, that is my database. Just click on here. Once you click on here, it will ask for you a password. Just click the password and just click on OK, or you can click on the save password in vault and click on OK, so that it will not ask again and again. Now my database has been open, and here we are going to insert the query. Here we are going to show the query. If you click on the show database, it will list all the database for you. If here is there, you can if you want to execute any query, just click on here. It will execute query for you. You can see these are the by default, if you install any database, these are the database will present. So in this video I am going to create a new database. So let's create a new database. For that I have, and after that I am going to create a new table. So I have, let me copy this database name. I want to give the database name as a employer db. So just click on create and database and database name that I want to create. Okay, and just click on execute it. Now you can see here database created successfully. If you want to click the show database, click on show database. Click on show database. You will get my new database that I have created. You can see my new database employer db. So we have created successfully a database. Now let's create the one table. Already I have written a syntax for the table. I am creating a table whose name is employee. Under that I am creating some a column as employee id, employee name, employee rating, year, and the employer type. Okay, so let me copy these all things and let me paste into the MySQL server database. Okay, so let me click on here. Okay, this is done. Now let me click on the copy these all and click on execute. You can see table has been created successfully. If you want to check the table, just click on select star from and which you want to table. You can give the table name as a employee that I have created and just click on OK. Okay, I need to give the database also, because I need to give the database name then the table name. Let me copy this from here. Okay, and let me write here and just click on run it. You can see table has been created successfully, and the column is, first column is employee ID, second is the employee name, third is employee rating, and fourth is year, and fifth is the employee type. So in this lecture, in this video, I have downloaded the database, I have installed a database, and I have created a database, and after that I have created a table. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and again if you have a doubt you can contact me. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.